In 2012, in Syria, a woman named Halima went to the doctor complaining of persistent nose pain. She thought it was a sinus issue, but when doctors examined her, they were stunned. They found a bullet lodged in her nasal cavity. Turns out she had been caught near gunfire weeks earlier, felt something hit her face, but thought it was debris. Incredibly, the bullet had entered through her nose, missed every major artery, and settled without causing major damage. Even more shocking, doctors said she had been walking around for over a week with it stuck in her head without even realizing it was a bullet. She made a full recovery after removal.